And they are, not all about just power and talk. They are about the best, riders engagement.
Yeah, see, that's the thing. I have ridden multiple Japanese bikes and European bikes, so
Hmm.
I like European bikes more,
Hmm.
just because they connect with the rider more than the Japanese bikes. The Japanese bikes are silky smooth.
Hmm.
I don't want a smooth bike. If I wanted a smooth bike, I would rather get a car.
Hmm.
I need a bike to feel what's going on underneath the seat.
Hmm.
I, there are vibrations, I understand, but
Hmm.
vibrations you can. I'm not that kind of a person who will get a tourer motorcycle. I'm a kind
Hmm.
of a person who will get a naked or a super sport to enjoy on the track or on the street.
Hmm.
If I wanted a very smooth tourer motorcycle, I would get the BMW GS, which is the most famous ADV motorcycle out there in the world right now,
Yeah.
from
Yeah.
multiple years.
Hmm. And it's been
So
dominating the
that's the thing.
segment.
Yeah. So I really like the Europeans just because they connect more with the riders.
Hmm.
Maybe people say they're unreliable and all that, but end of the day, if you actually search properly, you will see the number of Japanese, automobiles. Their failure rate is as much as Europeans, but half of the people are not reporting it, or most
Hmm.
of the people don't want to report it, saying no, that's all right, I'll get it fixed.
Hmm.
So this is the basic scenario.